So I see now to remove the bed is easier than the tank. Yeah.
Good, man.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah. This one I don't think is factory. So
Look.
yeah, see, the other one is factory. Yeah, this one goes right in.
Yeah. That was crazy. I think everything is fine. Yeah. Well, the big line is going here, because that one has to go like this.
Okay.
Yeah, it's going there. Yeah.
Okay.
So the other thing is you have to put this one like this. Here.
You have to make sure it sits on it.
Yeah. Because right now it's like a little.
So a little loose.
It needs to go in place. Okay, see?
Yeah. Hey.
Right there is good.
That's good. Yeah.
It's already. I gotta check this one. But this.
Yeah, that looks the same as the other one.
Yeah, it fits like a right. See?
Yeah.
Because this is going out. This is going on this side.
Yeah.
Maybe this way here. See, this one is fine. See?
Yeah,
straight
right in there.
Yeah. This one, yeah, I think it's good there. See, I can turn it, but see, the thing is, I have to put the metal first.
The metal clip.
Yeah. Because this is not easy to remove too,
Yeah.
See right there?
Yeah, it sits right in there.
Yeah, it's getting on place already. See?
Yeah.
So now you gotta hold a little bit, because sometimes when you try to put it in, that thing moves,
Yeah.
And can you heat it a little bit here? Maybe here.
So you have to lock in first before you.
Yeah, well, it's already like in. See?
Yeah.
Oh, now let me see this way. Yeah. Yeah, this way here. See the one in.
Go right in.
Yeah. Ouch. That was the plastic, no?
Yeah, plastic cover, yeah.
Yeah.
We'll get
so
it.
this block, no? I gotta do more until it gets closer,
Yeah.
See, this is supposed to like a lock here.
All the way.
Yeah, that's cool. See, when you work, you have to remove all these things.
Put them aside.
You don't want to break them,
Yeah.
So. And it's coming up. It's going there. See? There, see?
It locks. You can feel it.
You see the thing stops here?
Yeah, stop on top.
And this is your lock, this metal lips, or how do you say?
Yeah.
It's like a clip, when you turn this thing, it locks here.
Yeah, you can feel it locking.
Because this is a lot of pressure,
Yeah.
The gas. I mean, when it's moving, everything.
Yeah.
Yeah. So now see, it's pointing good. And this one is the same way, see?
Yeah.
So Now you can put it in. See, it's like made there, you know.
Yeah, it makes sense.
It's already locked. It's right there.
That's locked in.
Well, this thing here, I think you gotta take the old one back out.
You had the
check on the box.
I thought you had a. Let me pause it.
See there?
Yeah,
Now it's locked.
Locks right in there.
Yeah. Gotta plug these wires.
Now it's a sensor.
Yeah, we're getting close to. I'm looking for the little, but there's nothing there, you know.
Oh,
the little
cup.
Yeah, it was. That's not gonna do anything there, you know. This is the sensor here. This is the fuel pressure sensor here.
Fuel pressure sensor.
I mean the tank. I'm sorry. Yeah. See right there.
Yeah.
See, now we can check.
Now we can test the gas. Yes. So now we already installed the fuel pump. And the
plug and everything connected, electric wires, battery.
Yeah, connected everything. The problem was the fuel sensor, but most of the time it's good to just change the whole pump instead of.
Now we're gonna show the needle gauge.
Yeah, so now we'll show you the needle gauge now going up. See that? Yeah, see now it's moving.
It wasn't moving before, right?
It wasn't moving at all. It was stuck on E.
So now we're gonna start truck.
Now we're gonna start the truck, and you'll see.
Start right up.
Yeah, it start right up, and you see
no issues.
No issues. All the gauges are working, and the needle shows there's a half tank of gas in the vehicle.
It was showing like empty, right?
Yeah, it was staying on empty the whole time. You know, so it's good to change the whole fuel sensor, the whole pump, instead of just changing the fuel sensors.
See, it's not really easy to remove the fuel pump. You know?
Yeah, because it's not easy to remove the fuel pump.
One time, and don't worry about later, you know?
Yeah, you do it one time, because you see how much work we had to do moving the bed. You see how much work that is? It's two guys doing that work, lifting the bed aside just to change the fuel.
3 people. You know?
Yeah, it takes 3 people, but we did it 2 guys. Put a new fuel pump, and the vehicle is running. And that's the old one here. That's the old one. You can see the old fuel pump.
And this is the thing here.
And that's the
one
the
that was making the problem, but
that's the level.
It's rusty here too.
Yeah, you can see how rusty it is. You can see. Yeah. So that was the problem.
It still works, but it's not showing the level. You know, the gauge.
Yeah, it doesn't show the
like a full or half.
Yeah, so that's how you change a fuel pump, and you can see how much work.
Way maybe, right?
Yeah, this is easier than dropping the gas tank. Yeah, you can see how much work we had to do there.
Removing the bed is more easy than going under, I think.
Yeah, I think so too. Yeah,
because you have the pump maybe in like 10 minutes, I think, right?
Yeah, changing the pump is.
The hard part was because that was a new pump. I mean, the original pump.
Yeah, removing the original pump is harder than putting the new.
It's like a really tight spot.
Yeah.
They made the thing bigger on the bottom.
So that's how you change a fuel pump. Let me know what you think about this video. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.
You're gonna be on.
You're gonna be on YouTube,
TikTok, and everything, right?
Yeah.
You might get a lot of money.
Yeah, I know, huh? All right. See you in the next video.
Let's go this way now.
Supposed to go clockwise or anti-clockwise?
This way. It's like this way. This way. Yes, this way.
Yeah, it's moving.
But it's a little tricky.
Yeah.
No,
it's not moving.
No, this.
There might be a lock somewhere. There's no lock somewhere.
This way, like this. You see this?
Uh-huh.
When you turn this way, this is supposed to come this way. You know this?
Yeah, I see that. Uh-huh.
So I was fine here, I think. Sometimes it's like it gets like a lock, you know?
Yeah.
Now it's moving, see?
Yeah.
But I saw moving a little bit. It's moving now. See, now it's moving. See, right there's loose.
Yeah, there's loose.
See, now it's good. Gotta take this off. maybe. Oh, shit. There. So also you see there. See now with here.
So that you know, clean up a little bit, right?
Yeah, you gotta blow this thing up. Only.
It's never.
Yeah. Because this is going in, you know.
Yeah, it's gonna go
remove this.
You don't have all that. Yeah, it's a good thing I bought the whole pump, you know.
Yeah, they say you just only have the problem with the sensor.
Yeah.
Some people they only buy the little sensor and replace it, but the thing is,
if the pump
it's
goes,
better do everything one time, you know, because this is not like outside. It's inside, you know. It's more work to do.
Yeah, that's what
maybe the pump is gonna fail in the next month or 2 months, you know.
Yeah, that's what the guy
do one time, you know.
Yeah.
And you don't have to worry too much.
Yeah, I don't have to worry about it.
Yeah. Let me think it's a little maybe stuck. Okay. Let's leave this here. Let's leave this here. Okay.
The pump just comes up.
Yeah. Got a little stuck.
This might be from the factory, yeah?
Hmm?
Might be from the factory.
Yeah. Okay. So I gotta use the okay, so there was like a stuck somewhere here with the what's the name? Rubber seal. Oh, look at this thing here. It's like made only to fit the right. See?
Yeah,
that's crazy.
I hope the new one. So you have to.
Oh man. That's crazy. I don't know why they made this like this. Because I remove everything, but
that's what I'm saying. That's a factory. That's a factory one.
Yeah. But the thing is, it's like
you think it comes sideways?
No, it's coming off, but I don't know why. See, this is rusty. This is the level, I think. Well, this is like a little pump. You know?
Yeah, that's the float.
Yeah. It's almost like a. Okay, it's coming off.
Oh man.
You gotta put the gas here.
Ooh, I thought I didn't have a lot of gas. I have a lot of gas.
No, it's like a 3/4 tank.
3/4 tank?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
I can see. So if we go under and try to remove it from the bottom,
yeah, it will be.
It will be like a crazy, you know.
We'll be in trouble.
Too much gas.
So now that's the fuel pump now.
Yeah. Yeah. This is your problem here. Yeah. These 2 wires are for the gauge. Yeah. But you can see it's rusty.
Yeah.
This is the thing that supposed to be showing when you are low or full. See right there, it's like.
So you can even see the problem right there, right?
See when it's like full, I think it's supposed to be like close like this, you know.
Yeah.
You see, it's all the way up there. But the thing is, these 2 wires here, see?
Yeah.
Look like a rusty here. This is the sending unit here.
Okay.
Yeah. But
let's get a new one. Easy, man.
So now it's off here. See this?
I
think the new pump has supposed to have this thing here too. So now I can release.
Now you can release and clean up a little
here. So we can remove the pump. This way is more easy, you know?
Yeah, it's more easy like that.
Because you help me too, you know?
I know.
It's easy when 2 people work, you know?
That's true.
6 bolts.
Yeah, so just one more quick thing. You can see how we remove these bolts. There's 6 bolts holding the bed of this pickup truck. Yeah, you can see the bolts. Those are the bolts right there. You have 6 of them. You have one here. You can one on the other side. You can see the other side right there. And you have the second one here. And you have the third one
In this,
right there. Right there.
somewhere here.
Somewhere back there. You can see.
Oh no, yes, it's here on this side here.
Right there. So 2 in the back, almost.
Here. I'm sorry. This side.
Okay,
here.
right there.
Yeah. But you gotta go from inside.
Yeah, you're gonna go from under.
Yeah, right here. It's right here.
Like almost in the back towards the bumper right there. You see one, and you can see one on the other side right there. And then 2 in the middle. So 1, 2, 2 in the back. Here, 1 here, another one over there on the other side. And in the front, 2 in the front. Then you remove the whole bed.
Yeah.
All right. Hope you enjoyed this video. Leave your comments, question in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.
We don't scratch the.
Okay, so when you're moving the bed from this GMC Canyon pickup truck, you can see the bed. If you look, okay, you have to
Unplug the wires from the towing.
yeah, unplug all the.
Everything is like a plug like this, so don't worry about like you have to cut anything. You just unplug all these wires.
Unplug the
And
wires.
there's one more on the other side.
For the lights, then one more on the other side for the lights. Tail light.
Yeah.
Then you can see if the bed is sitting on the tires. You can see how it's sitting on the tires.
On the plastic on the bumper too.
Yeah.
Here. It's not on the metal; it's on the plastic too.
Yeah. So you can see how we leveled up there. Making sure you don't break anything. Sitting on the bumper in the back.
It's not necessary to move it all the way out, you know?
Yeah, you don't have to lift it all the way out, you know. And you can see on the front, it's sitting on the tires. You can see that side and this side. And then you can easily work on the pump. And you can see how we remove the liners and the tailgate. So you remove the liners and the tailgate. And you can see from a distance now how it looks. You can see how it looks. You know, the difficult job is moving the bed. So once you move the bed.
Oh, this is yours, right?
Yeah, that's mine.
Mine is there.
Yeah. Once you remove the bed now, you can easily access the pump right there. You see? Let me know what you think about this video. Changing a pump, fuel pump in a GMC Canyon. The same as Colorado, Chevy Colorado. Let me know what you think, and if you have any questions, you can ask. All right? Have a nice day. Bye. See you in the next video.